Buenos dias, everyone checking us out on YouTube, Facebook. If I had a way to go live on TikTok, I would. Just want to share some ideas. That's it. Check, check, check. Come on in. As price makes its descent, we've seen an all-time high almost every day. Almost every day. We're going to get to the chart here in just a second. 8:07 on the clock. And everyone who is live with us on Zoom, welcome. Welcome. All right, we already taken out overnight highs. All right, looking at the chart, let's see. First, let's look at news, shall we? First, Thursday. Here's the news. MyFXBook.com, sponsored by Forex.com. This is where we get our economic news calendar for the day. Okay, economic calendar for the day. And I'm only interested in high impact news. And as you can see, May 14th, 7:30, we had quite a bit of red folder news come through the market, which is cool. That's cool. That's cool. All right. Then we're gonna go to check out. We're gonna go check out this chart, shall we? Man, bring me to the charts. One of the first charts I want to look at is this one right here. Bottom is 4-hour time frame. It feels like this thing wants to retrace. And notice how we've been retracing. For all you newbies. Shout out to all the newbies. If you're learning how to day trade right now, what's up, man? Hang out. You're gonna like this. If you're just starting right now, this is a great time because we're in a bull rally. It's always easier to learn in a bull rally as opposed to sideways. Like if you were to start last November and then you go through December, January, February, March, oh, that was terrible. But now we're in a rally. Okay, so we're going up, right? A couple things I want to look at. This 4-hour time frame. I coded this indicator. Shout out to Chat GPT when it first came out. And we get this beautiful 4-hour cloud trend right here. And we saw that it flipped to the bull side in April. We got a green candle here, green arrow. And price just shot out of that like a cannon. Then we got another one Tuesday, yesterday. So I'm anticipating price coming to retest or re-challenge. You dig? Re-challenge. What's up, y'all? I'm looking for price to come in and re-challenge this level here, this green range level. And it's already kind of making its way down. So we'll just wait. We just wait. And what do we wait for? We go to a lower time frame. It says 4-hour time frame. Here's 1 minute time frame, right? And you can see we have an all-time high sitting up here. All-time high, Nasdaq, all-time high. We are sitting close to 29,800. Big number, bank zone. Big number, big number. So we're going to capitalize off of that. For sure. Yeah, it's going to be easy. It's going to be easy to capitalize off of that. All right. What else? I want to put that same cloud tool. I want to put that up here. Boom! Here it is. Now, a lot more, you can see a lot more things happening up here, right? What is one thing we noticed? What was that? That's awesome. I don't even know what that was. I get rid of that. One of the things we notice is that instead of a green trend cloud, we have a red trend cloud. Look at that. And prices just kind of dropping, popping, dropping, lower, popping, lower, dropping, lower, right? And kind of going boom, up, down, like a roller coaster, man. So we shall see. How low does it want to go? We don't know. But I also want to throw on, let's see, this guy. Yeah, buddy. All right. So how low does it go? Well, we're anticipating it coming to retest this green level here, remember? That's where a lot of buying pressure started. Okay, a lot of buying pressure. And then yesterday, turn this off. Then yesterday we saw a little pullback on the sell side, 3 a.m. all the way to 9 a.m. Look at that. 9 a.m. and then we shot out like a cannon. So I am anticipating, right? Because there's no predicting in trading, only anticipating. I'm anticipating price coming to retest this guy. Boom, and shoot out like a cannon. Then we're going to target big number, 29,800. So I'm going to put a line right there. Boom. That's our target. All right. What else? We're waiting for that 8:30 bell. We don't really start just yet. And if you can, do me a favor, like this right here and share this with somebody. Share it. Click share. Just share it to your timeline, if you don't mind. And while you do that, I'm going to share this YouTube. I'm going to share this YouTube. Let's see. Yeah, I'm going to share this YouTube link with the world. Let's see. Let's go and oh shoot, where do I go? Instagram, maybe. Man, we're live, man. We're live. We're gonna be live trading today. Boom. And let's see what happens. Let's see what happens. Let's see what happens in these markets. This market's gonna be crazy. If you have any questions, man, drop them on the line. Drop them on the line if you're wondering what we're looking at. We're looking at the Nasdaq. What else are we looking at? Gotcha. Would love to see it come and retest this level here. Boom, bounce up. All right. Retesting the closing hour low. Interesting. What else? Pivots. Got a beautiful pivot point right here. I'm gonna put an alert right there. Share this on your timeline, guys. Share this on your timeline. Let's go here. Share this to my group. We are live on Facebook. Taking any questions you might have about the tools, about the markup, about the setup, about the market, about life. What you want to talk about? Come on, hang out with me. We're live on the charts. Yeah, if you have any questions, man, let me know. Putting this alert here for a pivot point. We could find some support right there. We could fall, and boom, bounce off that guy. Or we could fall, and bounce through that guy, come and retest this guy again. We'll see. All I know is I don't know. Don't know what's gonna happen. Just know how you're gonna risk. Risk little, man. Risk little. All right, what else? I thought I had a page here for some reason. Yeah, pages. There we go. Who do we want to share this with? There's gonna be some crazy, insightful stuff, man. Maybe a messenger. Yeah. What? I don't know. Don't restore messages. There we go. Yeah. So the main idea is what? Be patient. Be calm. Relax. Slow down. Risk small. And be happy. That's the idea. All right, I'm looking to share this to a group. I can't find my group, man. Where is my group at? Paste this to the trader group. Well, it's all good. If we don't find them, it's all right. It's going to be a good day. I know that. It's going to be a good day. 8:18. Y'all. We're getting close. We're getting close. We're getting close. I mean, you thought about it. You thought about learning how to day trade. You thought about it. You've seen it. You've seen posts. You've seen tic-tac. You've seen it. Now's the time. Now's a great time to learn. This is your sign to learn how to start trading. Been asking for a sign. Here it is. Oh, yeah, it's going to be a good day. Come on in, come on in. $8:20. We got about 10 minutes till the market opens. Grab you a hot cup of tea or something. It's gonna be a good day. What's up, guys? The show. Appreciate y'all hanging out. If you have any questions, man, about day trading, we're gonna be day trading live today. It's Thursday. It's a good day. If you don't mind clicking that like button, clicking that share button. If you're here before the market opens, 8:30, then you picked a good day. You picked a good day to come hang out. Come on through. Come on through. Let me know if you have any questions. About day trading. I'm taking your questions. Live on Zoom, live on Facebook, live on YouTube. I would say we could go live on TikTok, but man, you know, let's just see what happens. Let's see. We're going to have a good day today, for sure. A lot of stuff in the news. A lot of stuff going on in the news today. A lot of stuff happening in the news today, guys. Let's see how it affects this market. All right, we're getting close to the bell. Waiting for that New York Stock Exchange bell. We're live on Zoom, live on Facebook, live on Facebook, live on YouTube. What is this? Ay, ay, ay. Let's see what happens. Whatever it is, it's going to be a good day. I'm anticipating this thing melting just a little. All right, let's look at this beautiful map. What is the beautiful map? Oh, it is the reason why we call it the bullseye. Trading strategy. We could get caught up in this little arc. Come in this arc, kind of bounce around here, something like that. We'll take it one candle at a time, one setup at a time. This is also where we will put our amazing bandit and consolidation zones. Yesterday, the bandit just said, yeah, we'll go down. Boom, hit TP3. Then we'll go up. Boom, hit TP3. Easy peasy. 150 points. Each way, each direction. It's crazy. All right. What else? Still looking. Hang out. 8:30 is going to be a good day. A good time. Looking at these. All right. This was the idea from the other day. If price breaks below this sort of area right here, we may see it come and touch this next blue line area, right? Came and edged and shot up like a cannon. Now we're back into this first little blue range, call it the 4-hour channel range. We could see this thing kind of hang out in here for a minute, do another dip and shoot up. We shall see. But the idea is still valid. Idea is still valid. Time's 8:27 a.m. Getting ready for the bell. Let's go. But that's the outlook that's the outlook so far. We could see this thing come down here and bounce up. So when that happens, nobody knows. Nobody knows. When that happens, nobody knows. All right. Buenos dias. I see Zoom. What's up, everybody on Zoom? Full TP. I see Saraya Full TP. ¿Qué pasó? We're live on Facebook, live on YouTube this morning. Taking questions, comments, concerns, rude remarks, insults, encouraging words. It's going to be a good day. Oh, yeah, gonna be a good day. Price has rallied since the beginning of April. We're still in this rally. Let's open up these charts. 8:28 on the clock. We're getting close to that bell. Everybody get ready. Buckle your seatbelts. We're breaking below the 730 range. We're breaking sort of below the closing hour range. We kind of retested that closing hour range. Take it one candle at a time, one setup at a time. Are you bullish or are you bearish? We're bullish. There could be a retracement down. If so, I'm going to see how it reacts to pivot points. We have a pivot point sitting here at 29,275. 29,275. And if we retrace, we got this beautiful green range. 29,150. So 275 and 150 is support levels. We'll see. We'll see what happens. Anything can happen. All right, guys, get ready for the bell. Bell's about to ring, ring, ring. Whatever you do today, risk proper. That's all we can ask. That's all we can do. Risk proper. Risk small. Whether you're watching online, Facebook, YouTube, Zoom, here's the bell. Welcome to the New York Stock Exchange. Open. The bell has rung. Let's see what's happening on the charts, shall we? First candle's giving us a bit of a range, 20-point range. This has potential to rise, to retest, to continue to go higher. We'll see. One candle at a time, one setup at a time, one trade at a time, one day at a time. It's about 14 points bullish, about a 30-point range. Let's see what happens. Get your finger off the trigger. It's not time. Let it develop. Let's see how it plays out. All right, that first candle has printed 30 points range. Look to see if it wants to break below. We could see it break below. We could see it break below. Look how it retests the low of that 830 candle and shoots straight up. Let's see. The buyers want to take this higher, breaking up above. Got a little bit of time left. Oh yeah, look at that. Reached above that first, broke above that first 1 minute candle. 20 points. 20-point candle. 831. One candle at a time, one trade at a time. It looks like it might be a buy situation. Just be cautious. Be cautious if you're taking a buy. Got 10 seconds left till a 1 minute breakout bandit. Stop loss will be the low. 3, 2, 1. We're going to try buy right here, guys. Let's go. Anything can happen. Let's see. We're reaching up, reaching up, reaching up. Beautiful TP2 hit on a 1 minute bandit. Let's see how high this wants to go. What is the protection line gonna be? Man, I don't even have my bands up. All right, bottom of the no trade zone. Let's see what happens. Let's see if we can get above that no trade zone. It is the lower part of balance area or value area, whatever you want to call it. We're gonna hold the buy. See if we can get TP3 out of this 1 minute breakout. Easy peasy today, y'all. Come on. 10 seconds till this 1 minute candle closes. Got about 2 minutes till a 5 minute candle closes. I would love to see it retest, potentially retesting this pivot point, which would give us a new all-time high. Let's go. We're going for new all-time highs today, guys. Let's go. Bottom of the no trade zone, almost getting tapped. Let's see if we can get that level right there, 29,425 on Trading View. Looks like sellers may be entering here, but you know, we'll give it a second. We'll give it a chance. We'll give it a chance. Still holding a buy. Looks like our protection line is getting edged. There's the protection line. I'm going to protect. I'm going to take partials. Looks like it's going up. TP3 hit. There's a GAN line there. 12-hour range hit. All right, taking partials, protecting, leaving a runner. Oh, that was it. That's it. We'll see how high this wants to go if it comes to knock us out. It's been so fun hanging out with you. We were on at 8 o'clock, just kind of going through each one of these layouts that I kind of look at. And yeah, we have an all-time high sitting up here. And big bank zone number 29,600, 29,700. We'll see how high this thing wants to. Oh man, this thing is rocketing up. Look at this. Come on. All-time highs. Here we come. All-time highs. Hold the buy. All-time highs every day. It's like every day is an all-time high. So awesome. Yeah, we're not far from an all-time high of Nasdaq. Let's see. About 145 points. I'm going to look at 4-hour time frame. Yeah, I would say from overnight 4-hour flat tops. I'm looking for that 786. Yeah, we've already tapped that 786 once. So we could get a reaction there. 29,460 on Trading View. We're breaking inside the no trade zone. I want to see if this price wants to go and retest that VWAP. Man, it is just shooting straight up. Come on, let's go. Shooting straight up. We clicked the buy on the bandit. That was it. One trade today. Easy peasy. And price just gave us 5 candles. Bullish. Amazing. 65 points so far on our first entry. Looking to see what happens here at VWAP. I may be full TP at VWAP. Because VWAP, oh, okay, 786 gets hit. 886 could be the VWAP. Let's see what happens. Man, that is just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 green candles in a row. Sometimes it's this easy. We pray for days like this. We pray for days like, did we say it was going to be a good day? Come on. This is the day that the Lord has made. I will rejoice and be glad in it. Let's see what happens here at 726 high. Can we break above that 726 high? That's the question. We're sitting at 786 right now, the fib level retracement. So we consider a reaction here. We'll see. We'll give it a chance. We'll hold this buy. Got the runner. I'm going to move stop loss and profit just a little bit more. Let's see. Maybe something like that. Boom. Wow. Bullish right out the gates. We were on the buy side of the bands. We broke into the no trade zone. I want to see if this 5-minute candle closes. We got about less than 3 minutes. VWAP is in our sights. VWAP 29472. 29472 on TradingView. Here comes the 886 is 77. There's the VWAP. See, sometimes you just hold it. I am tempted to full TP right here though. I don't know. Hold it. That's a lot of bullish volume right there. It's a lot of bullish. A lot of buyers in the market. And we are breaking this beautiful, I'm just looking. Breaking a beautiful, I would say what, 30-minute, let's see, 30-minute trendy? From all-time highs to something like this? Yeah. Oh yeah, breaking above that trendy. Tapping the 886. Let's see if we can go tap this 4-hour flat top. 4-hour flat top is 29,495. Man, bullish, just going up, up, up. Hold the buys. 91 points out the gates. Let's go. That 15-minute range, first 15-minute range of the market, 134 points. Good Lord. Yeah, this is it. This is the last trade for me. Typically, I don't like to get out too early, but VWAP is my full TP. Come on. Full TP. Full TP, 29.7. Wait, 29, what is it? 29.8, 29,480. Now, we have room to go higher. I'm content with the P&L at the moment. Facebook, YouTube. So glad y'all hanging out. That's it. No more for me. Yeah, no mas. I'm done. That's it. What else is there to do? What else do we have to do? Soraya, what else is there? That was it. Just waiting and seeing what happens. All right, I'm going to say first, thank you to YouTube for hanging out. Man, share this with somebody. If you caught this on a rebroadcast or somebody sent this to you, they really want, you want to check out trading, drop me a comment, drop me a like, hit me up. If you have any questions, we'll see y'all the next time. Peace out, YouTube.